Hello children, today we will start with the new chapter, The Wonderful West. In this lesson, we will learn about some big cities in Western India. Some big cities like Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bhopal, Jaipur. First we will discuss about the city of Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Once again, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Its old name was Bombay. It is situated on the west coast of India. Mumbai is a major port. Port means a place where ships carrying people or goods arrive or depart. Now, the climate of Mumbai. Mumbai is warm and humid in summer. Humid means humus. Once again, Mumbai is warm and humid in summer. It rains heavily from June to September. Winter is not very cold. Once again, winter is not very cold. Now, the people of Mumbai. People speak Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. Once again, people speak Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. The main food items are bhel puri, pani puri, vada pav and pav bhaji. The popular festival is Ganesh Chaturthi. The most popular festival is Ganesh Chaturthi. Now, the industries of Mumbai. There are many industries such as medicines, oils, chemicals, electronic goods, textiles, Hindi films and television industry. Crude oil has been found in the seabed near the coast. Seabed means floor of the sea. This place is called Mumbai High. Now, the transport of Mumbai. Most people travel by local trains and the metros. One of the busiest railway stations in India is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, in short CSMT. Once again, one of the busiest railway stations in India is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, in short CSMT. Now, the tourist attractions of Mumbai. The main tourist spots are the Gateway of India, Kamla Nehru Park, Taraporwala Aquarium, Marine Drive, Essel World, Elephanta Caves, Malabar Hills. At night, lights along the Marine Drive look like a necklace. That is called the Queen's Necklace. Now, look at the video of the city of Mumbai.
The Wonderful West. In this chapter, we are going to talk about the states of India lying on the western side. Many big cities like Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bhopal, Jaipur lie in the West India. So, we are going to talk about one of the very famous city in Maharashtra, Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai was earlier called Bombay. The city is situated on the west coast of India and faces Arabian Sea. Mumbai is a major port. Climate. Mumbai is warm and humid in summers, but it rains heavily from June to the month of September. It is not very cold in winters. The people of Mumbai speak Marathi, Hindi, Konkani and bhel puri, Vada pav, pani puri and pav bhaji are some of the most popular snacks enjoyed in Mumbai. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival celebrated in Mumbai. Types of transport in Mumbai. In Mumbai, people enjoy traditional means of transport like walking, bullock cart, horse carriage, bicycles, etc. And in local transport, people very commonly use local trains and metros. The Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus is one of the busiest railway station in India. Industries. There are many industries such as medicines, oil, chemicals and electronic goods found in Mumbai. Crude oil has been found in seabed near the coast. This place is called Mumbai High. Earlier it was called Bombay High. Tourist attractions. The most famous tourist spot is the Gateway of India. Other places to see in Mumbai are Kamla Nehru Park, Marine Drive and Easel World. Beaches such as Chopati, Juhu are also very popular. The Elephanta Caves near Mumbai have many rock-cut temples. The best view of Mumbai can be had from Malabar Hills. At night, lights along the Marine Drive look like a necklace. That is why it is also called Queen's Necklace.
Children, you have seen the video and understood all of you? Okay, the next city is Ahmedabad. The local name of Ahmedabad is Ahmedabad. Once again, the local name of Ahmedabad is Ahmedabad. It is the largest city of Gujarat. Once again, Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. It is situated on the banks of river Sabarmati. Now the climate of Ahmedabad. Summers are very hot and dry. Winters are not very cold. Once again, summers are very hot and dry. Winters are not very cold. Now the people of Ahmedabad. People speak Gujarati and Hindi. Once again, people speak Gujarati and Hindi. The main food items are dhokla, fafda, khaman, khandvi and khakra. People celebrate Navratri and perform Ras Garba. Ras Garba is a folk dance of Gujarat. Once again, Ras Garba is a folk dance of Gujarat. Now the industry of Ahmedabad. Textile is an important industry of the city. Once again, textile is an important industry of the Ahmedabad. Now the tourist attractions of Ahmedabad. The main tourist spots are Gandhi Ashram, Jhulta Minar, Kankaria Lake, Kite Museum, Auto World Vintage Car Museum and Science City. Now children, you can see the video of the city of Ahmedabad.
A wonderful West. In this video, we are going to discuss about the different states in West India and their different cultures. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, locally called Ahmedabad, is the largest city in Gujarat. It is located along the banks of river Sabarmati. The summers are very hot and dry and winters are not very cold in this region. People here speak Gujarati and Hindi. The city is famous for its textiles. The markets are full of mouth-watering food like dhokla, fafda, khandvi, and many popular snacks. People here enjoy major festivals during Navratri. Garba dance is the folk dance of Gujarat. Some places of tourist interest are Gandhi Ashram, Jhulta Minar, Kankaria Lake, Kite Museum, Auto World Vintage Car Museum and Science City.
Children, you have seen the video and understood? Okay, now for the homework, learn all the exercises of chapter 5. Thank you.